What up, y'all? It's NerdGrows, and we got some mail. Oh my god, I love mail so much! Yeah! I can't get this tape off. But yeah, our friends over at Green Guy Genetics sent us some mail, and let's see what's inside. All right. I see something for you guys for later. We'll talk about that later. But for me, oh yeah. This says 1 of 1, and it is autographed by the man himself, BGG. It's a very beautiful wooden box. Got a little latch on it. It's looking nice. Little stash box. Did he give me my own stash box? Holy shit. So what we have here is a 1 of 1, completely unique Crafted Origins box set from Green Guy Genetics, and I'm super excited to get into this. Wow. This box has the like velvet jewelry holders in it, and there's 4 tins of seeds just right there. This is like a loot box treasure chest. It's so cool. I don't even know what monster I slayed to get a chest like this. I don't deserve loot like this. All right, let's see what cultivars we got here. Funky Widow auto regs that take 85 days. Thought it was 84 and out the door. Where's this extra day coming from? Freya Odin's Widow auto fems that also take 85 days. Tangy Widow, which is an auto reg that takes 90 days. And last up, we got Strawberry Widow. That is an auto fem that takes 85 days. Hell yeah, everybody knows I love my autos. I have, to this day, not grown a photo yet. These are really, really exciting to have in my collection now. Got a little seed vault going. So there's a gold ribbon sticking out from the jewelry thing, and I'm wondering if there's a second layer to this puzzle. Should I pull the ribbon and see what happens? Oh yeah, there's more goodies in here. So the first thing that catches my eye are these 2 lightsabers. They look like maybe like cake decorations, but I'm gonna be crossing swords either way. I love these. I'm gonna find like a little spot to put them. I think they might like fit like on a shelf by my desk. Like I could stick it into my corkboard or something. All right, and up next we have 2, Jesus Christ, plastic toy spiders that are not scary or terrifying. So I'm so glad that my mother-in-law doesn't watch our channel, because I am so gonna hide these in her bathroom next time we have to go over. She loves that. I did it with a toy cockroach once. Supreme prank. It was great. The next goodie in here is a really goodie, and it's my favorite. Candies. They are mint chocolate hard candies, because BGG knows that I'm roughly 73 years old. They're delicious. Delicious. Next, I have a handwritten note from BGG himself, but that's just for me. You guys don't get that. You don't get that part of me. All right, next up, we have the full run of stickers from all the strains in this box, and these are going to look great on my dry erase board. I have a dry erase board that I have just been slapping on nonstop, just spanking it ever since I started growing. These will look great. And last but not least, we have 2 little baggies of seeds, and one is not labeled. Mystery Cultivar. Mystery Cultivar, these Thursdays on NBC. And speaking of TV, the other one is labeled CW. These probably have those like teen drama terps, you know what I mean? Let me tell you guys, I am so grateful. Well, I'm nerd. He's grateful. But like I said at the beginning of the video, there is one more thing left. We got something for all little babies. We have our very own Crafted Origins box set to give away. Like you may have seen on social media, there's a special passphrase hidden within this video, and it's like really hard to find, so make sure you pay attention. Hey everybody, guess what? The secret passphrase for the giveaway is community, friendship, and family. Like really, really hard to find. Like Howling's joints hard to find. That small. It's harder to find than Rev's love for authoritarian government policies. Why am I doing YAG jokes right now? Why do I have 5 minutes of YAG material stored away for some reason? So head over to Instagram or Discord and DM us the key phrase, and you'll be entered to win this box right here. This one. Not the one I got. That one fucking rocks. This one's mediocre. I'm just kidding. I can't do that to the BGG. I can't do them like that. But yeah, DM us the key phrase to enter to win. The winner will be chosen on 5/25/25 at 5:25 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.